everybody, welcome back to another room tour video. This week we are at the Paradisus Cancun in Cancun, Mexico. It's a Malia hotel, very similar to the Paradisus Grand Cana that we stayed at previously last year in October. If you haven't seen that video, it's I can post a link below. But I just want to give you guys a quick tour around the one-bedroom suite that we have. And if you have any questions, obviously feel free to ask below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Okay, so here's our room, 4114. We are actually directly across the way from part of the Uhi Spa. So you hear that water dribbling pretty much all the time. It's kind of nice, it's like white noise. But similarly to Punta Cana, there was a ribbon here which they removed, but that signified that the room was clean prior to our arrival. And then similarly to Punta Cana, you have this bracelet which has this, the RFID sensor in it. So that's how you open your room. You just put it there, it blinks, and in you go. So the first thing you are greeted by is a hallway with a closet on your right. And the closet contains a scale, as well as the typical safe that you find in hotels, where you can store your expensive belongings. Then we have the the bathroom here, so the sink, shower, tub combination. On the right side, behind those doors, is also the toilet, as well as a bidet. Off to the right in the hallway, we have a living area with one chair, a love seat or couch, a table, a nice view. This particular room is on the Lagoon side view, so this is the Lagoon over there. We'll go outside for a minute. Got a decent sized balcony here. Lots of space for extracurricular activities. This is one of the pyramids. There's, I believe, 5 at this hotel. That is Pyramid 5, pretty sure. That's where the reserve rooms are. So if you're a Malia member or you buy a reserve level room, that's where your room will be. They have a couple amenities there. So they have a separate little breakfast area, things like that. These are the grounds from this view. And going back inside. Similarly to Punta Cana, all the remotes, everything is sanitized, and it's, they're very serious here about sanitization due to COVID. Then you have another bathroom. Similarly over there, you see the toilet and bidet. On the right side here, we have shower and tub combination. And then also here we have your usual sink area. And then moving back into the main area. You have the king-size bed, which is very nice, very soft, very pleasant. Pillows are also very good. And then we have lots of counter space. So you can put your luggage under there or on top, however you would like it. Decent sized Samsung TV. Nice wide open window that again leads to the lagoon view. I apologize for my squeaky shoes, guys. And I'll open this, and here's another balcony. So there's 2 balconies in the 1-bedroom suite, both of them overlooking the lagoon. Alright, that is the quick and dirty of this type of room at Paradisus Cancun. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will do my best to answer them. And then also stay tuned for follow-up videos doing a tour of the resort itself, some beach views, etc. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.